In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create vertical videos inside of Google Vids. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to workspace.google.com. Then from here you'll need to choose products, and then from here you'll need to find the Vids section. Once you click on that, it should look something like this. And now from here you'll need to click into Sign to Vids. And then from here you'll be able to choose your Gmail account. You'll just need to click on the specific account that you want to log in with. Once you're inside, it should look something like this. And now from here, to create a vertical video, you'll simply need to go from landscape to a portrait instead. From here, you can either record a video, you can upload a video directly from your computer or Google Drive, or you can add a blank. If you click add a blank, you'll see this picture right here. Now from here, let's put something inside of the video to showcase that this is a vertical video. So from here, you'll just need to do this, like so, like so. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!